Now let us see the properties of multiplication of matrix. Okay, so now see the first property. Matrix multiplication is not commutative in general. Okay, so matrix multiplication, normally we know that multiplication of real numbers, the commutative property is true, but the matrix not commutative in generally. Sometimes it will possible, sometimes it is not possible. Okay, so now see here, if A is of order m by n and B is of order n cross B. So here order of A, that is they have given m by n, m rows n columns. Order of B, they have given n rows p columns. Okay, so AB is defined but BA is not defined. How you can say? Now see here, AB means here number of rows, number of columns in the first matrix, number of rows in the second matrix, both one is equal, then AB is defined. So order of AB, what it will come? M cross B it will come. BA means how? B only first you have to write n cross B. A, that is m by n. Here both one is equal or not? No, it is not equal, then BA is not defined. Okay, so even if AB and BA are both defined, suppose some cases if it is possible both defined, means it is not necessary that they are equal. In general, AB not equal to BA. For matrix multiplication, in generally AB and BA not equal only it will come. Okay, so that's the first property. Matrix multiplication is not commutative in general. Okay, so not commutative, both only normally the not generally only they have given. Sometimes it will be equal. Okay, sometimes it will not be equal. Generally AB not equal to BA only it will come. Okay, so next one, matrix multiplication is distributive over matrix addition. Okay, so if A comma B comma C or m by n, matrix A order that is m by n, matrix B order that is n by p, matrix C the order is n by p. Okay, so matrices respectively, then A into B plus C is equal to A into, you know that this is right distributive property. Okay, so A into B plus C means AB plus A into C, like that only. Okay, so how will you find out this one? First B plus C, matrix B and matrix C, you have to add it after multiply with that A. Okay, so then this separate part AB, this separate part AC, both one you have to add it. So this is a right distributive property. Okay, so the next one, left distributive property. So only the bracket only we have to change. For right distributive property means B plus C bracket it will come. Left distributive property means A plus B bracket it will come. If A comma B comma C are m by n matrices, the order of A that is m by n, order of B that is m by n, order of C that is n by p matrices respectively, then this is a left distributive, both on equal only it will come. Here also both values are equal only it will come. Okay, so the distributive property equal only. Here this A plus B, how will you find out? A matrix and B matrix you have to add it. After that answer with the C matrix you have to multiply. Okay, so the right hand side A and C matrix you have to multiply. After B and C matrix you have to multiply. Next you have to add it that one. Okay, so answer same only it will come. So that's a matrix multiplication is distributive over matrix addition. Distributive over matrix addition. Okay, so this how will you write the right hand side? A into C after B into C, like that. Okay, so A with the C plus B with the C. So that's a left distributive property. The next one, matrix multiplication is always associative. So always associative means all the time it will equal only it will come. So now see, if A comma B comma C are order they have given, order of matrix A that is m by n, order of matrix B that is n by p, order of matrix C that is p by q matrices respectively. This is the associative property for multiplication. Okay, so AB into C or A into BC, only the bracket is different. Always associative, always equal only it will come. Okay, so this is a associative property. Next one, multiplication of a matrix by a unit matrix. Unit matrix means so you know that for example 1 0 0 1, this is a unit matrix or identity matrix. Okay, all the leading diagonal must be 1, remaining all 0. Okay, so this is a unit matrix. So if A is a square matrix means you know that order same only it will come. So here n by n. Okay, so 2 by 2, 3 by 3, like that. That is a square matrix, already we have seen. If A is a square matrix, so one matrix that is a square matrix, 2 by 2 or 3 by 3 matrix means I is the unit matrix. Okay, of same order. For example, this is a 2 by 3 unit matrix. After A matrix means same 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, you can consider 2 3 4 5. Okay, this also 2 by 2, this also 2 by 2 matrix. Any one matrix A multiply with the matrix unit matrix mean with the same order. This is 2 by 2 mean this also 2 by 2. This is 3 by 3 mean here also 3 by 3 unit matrix only we need to consider. Okay, so then we will get this AI or IA. A matrix multiply with the unit matrix I, or I matrix unit matrix multiply with the A matrix. Both one you will get the answer A only. While you are multiplying this one you will get the answer A matrix only we will get. Okay.